Join KTU and Chivas Regal. Come by for the tasting, music, and prizes while supplies last.
Turn down for what? Turn down for what?
Saturday.
Join 94.3 The Point and Lander Jenkins Vineyards for the Jersey Shore Summer Wine Tour. Check out new wines from Lander Jenkins Vineyards and play cool games with 94.3 The Point Summer Party Patrol.
Lost on the side, I've been sad with you for most of the night. Ignoring everybody here, we wish they would disappear. So maybe we could get down now. I don't wanna know if you're getting ahead of the program. I want you to be mine, lady, to hold your body close. Take another step into the no man's land for the longest time, lady. I need you, darling, come on, set the tone. If you feel me falling, won't you let me know? If you love me, come on, get involved. Feel it rushing through you from your head to toe.
Steve Petty from Fiddler's Elbow Country Club in Bedminster, New Jersey. And today I'm going to make for you a Mrs. Mosley Mountain. Cheers.
you prefer beer or wine? Have both at the inaugural Grapes and Grains Festival at Ocean Place Resort and Spa in Long Branch. And Saturday, May 31st is the Grapes and Grain Tasting. Your $40 advance ticket gets you a souvenir sampling glass and unlimited samples of over 60 varieties of libations from R&R Marketing, New Jersey's premier wine and spirits distributor.
Hey, take the plunge with Big Joe Henry. Saturday, February 22nd. Holy cow, this is tomorrow. For the Polar Bear Plunge. He's going to be there 10 a.m. until 3 p.m. broadcasting his show live from the 21st Annual Polar Bear Plunge benefiting New Jersey Special Olympics at Spicy Cantina on the Boardwalk, sponsored by Jack Daniel's Winter Jack, a blend of apple cider liqueur, Jack Daniel's whiskey, and winter spices. And I would definitely have some of that coming out of the water.